Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Nambardar TV. I am your host, Naveed Ahmed. Today, we have some very shocking news. The prominent news website and voice of Nambardars across Pakistan, www.nambardar.pk, has been hacked again by unknown digital terrorists. Earlier, the site was compromised by Indian hackers, but it was swiftly restored. However, it has fallen victim once again, and the administration of www.nambardar.pk has strongly condemned this action. Previously, the Indian hackers had posted a message claiming responsibility for the attack. Despite restoration efforts, the website is under threat once more, and the administration has vowed to take strict action against the perpetrators. www.nambardar.pk serves as a vital platform for the Nambardar community in Pakistan. These attacks are attempts to silence their voices. The administration has assured that they will not be intimidated and will continue to provide a platform for the community to express themselves. The administration has assured that they will not be intimidated and will continue to provide a platform for the community.